Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to copy LinkedIn profile URL. So first thing that you will do is simply go to your LinkedIn. And now once you are on LinkedIn, just simply make sure to sign in into your account. And now from here, just simply click on your profile over here on the top right. And a drop down will show up. And just simply go ahead and go for a view profile over here. So click on view profile. And right now, as you can see, you should be able to copy your URL over here. But if you want to change your URL, you can just simply go ahead and go over here, public profile and URL, and you can just simply click on this icon over here, the pencil icon. And now from here, you should be able to see here, edit your custom URL, and you should be able to click on the pencil icon again. And after that, you should be able to change your URL over here as well. And pretty much just simply go to your profile, guys, and you should be able to click the URL over here and right click on it, and you should be able to copy it, and you should be able to send it to your friends or to other communication platform. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.